The Doctor's Dilemma. In the heart of a bustling city hospital, Dr. Ananya was known for her dedication and compassion towards her patients. Her days were filled with challenging cases, but she never let the pressure affect her commitment to saving lives. One day, she encountered a particularly challenging case. A young boy named Rohan was admitted with severe abdominal pain. After a series of tests, Dr. Ananya diagnosed him with a rare and life-threatening condition. Rohan's parents were devastated by the news. They sat in the waiting room, their faces a mask of worry and fear. Dr. Ananya knew she had to act swiftly. Dr. Ananya decided that an immediate surgery was the only option to save Rohan's life. She and her surgical team prepared for the complex procedure, knowing the risks involved. The surgery was long and arduous. Dr. Ananya's hands moved with precision, her mind focused entirely on saving Rohan. It was a critical moment where every second counted. Meanwhile, Rohan's parents waited anxiously, praying for a miracle. The hours seemed to stretch endlessly as they hoped for good news. After several tense hours, Dr. Ananya emerged from the operating room. She removed her mask and gave a reassuring smile to Rohan's parents, indicating the surgery was successful. Rohan's recovery began. Dr. Ananya visited him regularly, ensuring he was on the path to full health. His parents were endlessly grateful. Rohan's parents expressed their heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Ananya. Their tears of joy were a testament to the lives she had impacted. Back in her office, Dr. Ananya reflected on the day's events. She knew that while the days were often long and challenging, the reward of saving lives made it all worthwhile. Dr. Ananya later shared her experiences with a group of medical students, inspiring them to pursue their dreams with the same dedication and compassion. Moral of the story: compassion and dedication in the medical field can make a profound difference in people's lives. Every effort, no matter how challenging, is worth it when it comes to saving lives.